Alright, the discussion came up last night about adding lettering or other vinyl to the back of your screen to be visible from outside. This was something I had done towards the very beginning of getting my Model 3, so I figured what better way than to show you guys than to do a quick little how-to tutorial. This could be something maybe Tesla Bros or even Evan X could come out with to give a little bit better quality vinyl than what I was able to find on Amazon at the time. So let me take you through real quick as a step-by-step, and hopefully you enjoy. Alright, to get started, we're going to take some blue painter's tape and a Sharpie, and we're going to draw a line on it. What this is going to do is give us a center point to follow. So you want this line to be as straight as possible across the blue painter's tape. We will peel that off, and then the T at the top of the screen is going to be the center point of the screen. So we're going to line that line up to the Tesla T, and then we are going to line up the edge of the blue painter's tape along the edge of the top of the screen, and then we're going to fold that over. So let me take you around to the other side so you can get a better look at that. Alright, so now that we have the blue painter's tape along the top edge here, we're going to go ahead and fold it around, and you can see I already have the Tesla lettering vinyl here on the back side, and that's essentially what we'll be putting on. It comes on a sheet. I got it on Amazon. I cut it out, take the top nice and straight, that way you have a nice line to follow. I then mark the center of the S being the center of the logo, and what we're going to end up doing is peel off the back paper, and then the lettering will then stay on the transfer paper, and we're going to line up that line and the edge of the cut piece here. That's why you want to make it nice and straight. And once you get it in place, squeegee it in, use your finger, whatever it may be, and there you go. You'll peel off the back paper and your lettering is now transferred on there. Then all you got to do is peel off your blue painter's tape, and there you have it.